Hi boys and girls, welcome to our regrouping review. It's been a little while since we've practiced regrouping with addition, so here is a review for you. Our first problem is 15 plus 15. What we always do is we draw our line down, we label our ones place and our tens place. First I'm going to add in my ones place, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10, but I can't put the number 10 down here because I'm only allowed to put one number there. So what we do is we stretch that number out. Bring my 0 down below, and I bring my 1 over to my tens place. Then I move over to my tens place and I add 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3. 15 plus 15 equals 30. Next, we'll do 37 plus 25. Again, I'm going to label. I'm going to add 7 plus 5. Now, boys and girls, if I don't know what 7 plus 5 is, I can use a strategy. I can count on from 7, and I'm going to draw 5 circles. I start at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, I have that number 12 and I need to stretch it out. My 2 goes below. That's the number in my ones place. The number in my tens place is going to move over to my tens place. Then I'm going to add 3 plus 2 plus 1 more. I can make this easier and add 2 plus 1 to equal 3. And then 3 plus 3 equals 6. 37 plus 25 equals 62. 76 plus 14. I'm going to add 6 plus 4. And again, if I'm not sure, I can count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get that number 10 again. Now the number in my ones place is going to come down and stay in my ones place. The number in my tens place is going to move over to my tens place in my problem. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 76 plus 14 equals 90. Boys and girls, remember the hardest thing to remember is to add that 1 that we bring over when we are regrouping. Don't forget about that little guy up there. He's important. So this week you're going to come up with 10 problems that are adding with regrouping. You only want to regroup one time. So here I can show you an example. If I think of the problem 43 plus 18 equals blank, remember, I want you to set your problem up this way. I want you to stack. It's easier to add that way. This gets a little bit tricky when we're using two-digit numbers. So you can write them out that way if you want to, but I want you to solve them by stacking. We'll solve this last one together. All right, in my ones place, I have 3 plus 8. Again, if I'm not sure what 3 plus 8 is, I'm going to start with my bigger number, which was 8, and I'm going to count on. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11. Now in this problem, the number in my ones place is the same number as my tens place. So I need to put the number in my ones place down low. The number in my tens place gets moved over to my tens place column. It needs to be added in. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So 43 plus 18 equals 61. Boys and girls, remember when you are adding this week that we do want to be practicing regrouping. We want to practice having a number that's too big for our ones place. When we regroup and we move that number from the tens place over and add it in. Do not forget to add that number to your total. I can't wait to see what you come up with.